Okay, so suppose that y is equal to a over root 1 plus bx, where a and b are constants. When x is 3, y equals 1 and dy over dx equals negative 1 over 8. Find a and b. So the first thing I want to do is take note that we have two variables and we're given two pieces of information. So clearly we're going to have to use simultaneous equations to solve this. So let's start with the first piece of information. So when x is 3, y equals 1. So let's substitute that into the equation. We get 1 is equal to a over root 1 plus 3b. And when we rearrange a little bit, we get a is equal to root 1 plus 3b. And for now, we're going to leave it like this. So then we can use substitution method to substitute our value of a into the next equation and therefore solve for b and then find a later on. So we're also given that dy over dx is equal to negative 1 over 8. So let's differentiate. We'll start off by writing the function in a way that's able to be differentiated. So we're going to write this as a times 1 plus bx to the power of negative half, since it's square root in the denominator. Now when we use chain rule, we get that dy over dx is equal to negative half ab times 1 plus bx to the power of negative 3 over 2, which is equal to negative ab over root 1 plus bx to the power of 3. And we know that this is equal to negative 1 over 8. Sorry, I forgot to add the 2 there because it's right there. Now when we multiply the denominator, we get negative ab is equal to root 1 plus bx cubed over 4. The 2 and the 8 can be simplified. And when we multiply everything by negative 4, we get 4ab is equal to root 1 plus bx cubed. Sorry, I also forgot the negative over here. I just added it. Now we can actually substitute our value of a in here. So we get 4b root 1 plus 3b is equal to root 1 plus 3b. I'm going to substitute x as 3 now. 1 plus 3b cubed. Now what we have to do is a little bit of manipulation. And I don't mean squaring everything so we get a larger value. I actually mean, let's write this in terms of powers. So we have 4b times 1 plus 3b to the power of half, which is equal to 1 plus 3b to the power of 3 over 2. If we divide everything by 1 plus 3b to the power of half, we get 4b is equal to 1 plus 3b over 3 to the power of 3 over 2 over 1 plus 3b to the power of half, which is just 1 plus 3b. So therefore, b is equal to 1. And this method is a lot more simple when you're tackling these kind of questions. And we know from our value of a over here that a is equal to root 1 plus 3b, so 1 plus 3 times 1, which is equal to root 4, which is equal to 2. So therefore, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1.